Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to hide your story on Instagram from everyone. There are two steps that you have to do, so please do the following steps that I will show you. Alright, first of all, we want to put our profile on private. So go to our profile, tap on the three lines right in the top, then go to account privacy and turn on the private account button. So now our account is private and only my friends can or followers can see our story. Now go back, and again on our profile we have to tap on the three lines in the top. From here we have to scroll down to hide story and live. Then tap further, and from here we have to select all our followers. And then we have to do done. Now, no one of our followers can see my story and my account is on private, so it's not allowed for anyone that is not following me to see my story. Now also my followers got turned off and now there is no way that anyone can see my story. This is how it works. If you find this helpful, please smash a like and thanks for watching.